Welcome to Metier Study Center. Last week we could not have any video due to some unavoidable reason. This week we will be coming with two videos. One is coming today, and another will be tomorrow. Now today's topic will be time space distance, and we have picked up a question from previous CAT paper. In time space distance, what we know that proportion concept is very important. So here, this question will be solved with the help of proportion concept, and that too very quickly and very smartly. Check it. The question says, only a single railway track exists in between stations A and B on a railway line. So what is the implication of this word? Let's go with first. The implication of the word single railway track. Single railway track means if a train starts from station A towards station B, until or unless it will reach station B, no train can start from station B towards station A and vice versa. It means at same point of time, only one train can move in between A and B. Next, 1 hour after the northbound superfast train N leaves station A for station B, a southbound passenger train S reaches station A from station B. Let's draw the railway track first. So this is the railway track. This is station A and this is station B. Now for understanding purpose, we can go with a time. Say when the train N leaves station A, say that train N leaves station A, for example, at 9 a.m. What the train N is doing? It will move up to station B, and as per the condition, once it will reach station B, another train is that starts from station B towards station A. And this train S reaches here after 1 hour N started from station A. Means this is 10 a.m. according to our example assumed. Now in this 1 hour, what is happening? In this 1 hour, the train N travels the distance A to B. Once it reaches B, at the same moment, a train S from station B started and it reached station A at 10 a.m. Means after 1 hour. So what we can write down here? To cover the distance AB, total time taken by train N to cover AB plus the time taken by train S to cover BA, total time is 1 hour, means 60 minutes. I think this is clear now, as because it is single railway track, so they cannot move simultaneously. Once train N reaches B from A, the train S will start from B, then it will reach A, and total time here is 1 hour. So this part is over. Now, if we know the individual times of train N and train S to cover this distance, that may help us in our further calculation, as because if you go with the question asked, they ask for the speeds of the trains, passenger train S and the superfast train N. They need the speed ratio. When they need the speed ratio, so we need individual time, right? So obviously some information should be there that will help you to calculate individual time. Check it. The speed of superfast train is twice that of normal passenger train E. Let me write it down here. Speed of superfast train N is twice of speed of express train E. And what we are getting here, very next line, it is saying that the speed of passenger train is half of the speed of express train. So if you combined these two, what you are getting? That Vn equals to 4 times of Vs. Or if you want, you can write it down in this way. If you want, you can write it down in this way that Vn is to Vs will be 2Ve is to half Ve, Ve cancel. So what you are getting here, this ratio is coming as 4:1 after simplification. Now, in proportion concept of time sprint distance, we know that if distance will be same, velocity and time will be inversely proportional to each other. Here, the distance is same for train N and train S, distance is AB. So when the distance is AB, so Vn is to Vs and Tn is to Ts will be just inversely proportional. So what you are getting here, Tn is to Ts will be 1:4. For same distance, speed and time will be inversely proportional. You can say speed, you can say velocity. They will be inversely proportional to each other. Now, Tn is to Ts is 1:4. Tn plus Ts is 60. So what we need? We have to divide 60 in the ratio 1:4. So what values we are getting here? We are getting the values like this. This value is coming as 12 minutes. This value will be coming as 48 minutes. Now the scenario is in normal day, train N takes 12 minutes to reach B from A and train S takes 48 minutes to travel from B to A. Now the change scenario. What they are saying that on a particular day, N leaves B from A 20 minutes behind the normal schedule. We have assumed some data. We have assumed here 9 a.m. is the scheduled time to start from A. On that particular day, it is saying that it is 20 minutes late. So on that day, the timing will be 9:20 a.m. Right? Now, on that day, the time will be 9:20 a.m. So here, what we are getting? In order to maintain the schedule means the train A has to reach B on the particular time as per the normal schedule on other day, and train B will start at same time as it starts on other day and will reach A at the same time 10 a.m. at it reaches on the other day. Maintained schedule means there will not have any change in the time of reaching of train N to station B, as well as there will not have any change in starting time of train S from station B and reaching time of train S as station A. So obviously, the train N starts from station A at 9:20 a.m. as per the assumption that we had, and train S will reach A at 10 a.m. as usual. So on that particular day, there will have some change in time. Now check, on that particular day, we are having TN on that particular day, TN1 and TS1. This will be 20 minutes less now. So total time will be 40 minutes. It is not 60 minutes as because train N starts 20 minutes late and they are maintaining the schedule. Now, what happens? If the superfast train, to maintain the schedule, both N and S increased their respective speeds. Obviously, it should be. Otherwise, they will have less time, but they have to reach maintaining the schedule means they have to cover the same distance. So obviously, they have to increase the speed. So there should have certain information related to the change in speed. Check it. If the superfast train doubles its speed, means train N doubles its speed. When train N doubles its speed, so to cover the distance AB, it will take half of the original time. Initially, train N takes 12 minutes to cover A to B. On that day, as it doubles its speed, so its time will be halved. So its time will be now 6 minutes. Initially, it was 12. Now it will be 6. But total time is 40 minutes. So if it is 6 here, so train S will get 34 minutes on that particular day to cover B to A. Now, again, the same point. The point is distance remains same, AB. So when distance remains same, time and speed or time and velocity will be inversely proportional to each other. So if TN1 and TS1 are such, we can easily say TN1 is to TS1 will be 6:34. So what we can say, VN1 is to VS1 will be 34:6 as because distance is AB again. Now Vn is to Vs, new speeds ratio 34:6. The question asks for approximated value. The question asked for approximated value. See here. Here the word is there, approximately. And one more thing, all the options are in integers. So obviously approximation is required. Here you have to check 34 is nearest to which multiple of 6? 34 is nearest to sixth multiple of 6. 6 are 36. So it will be coming as approximately 6:1. Right? Now, some students may think why it is not 5:1. Check it. If it would have been 5:1, so it will be something around 30. This value here should be something around 30. If it would have been 31, 32, then we can easily say 5:1. The moment it is more than 33, means it is closer to 36 now. So it will be 6:1. Now Vn is to Vs, new speed ratio will be 6:1. Now go with the question. The question asks for the speed ratio of passenger train, just a minute. Speed ratio of passenger train to superfast train. In ratio, it is very important to go with the proper sequence. In ratio, it is very important to go with the proper sequence. Here, they ask for speed ratio of train S and train N. But we have calculated train N is to train S, that is 6:1. So our answer here will be 1:6. That's because they are asking for speed ratio of passenger train to superfast train. They ask for Vs is to Vn. So 1:6. Now, if in the exam hall you will find you may have some confusion like this, that 6:1 has come and 6:1 is not there in the options. So how to mark? So have a look what they are asking for. They are asking for the ratio of passenger train to superfast train. So obviously, passenger train will have lower speed, superfast train will have higher speed. So in the first part of all the ratios will be less than the second part of the ratios given in the options. 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:6. None of the options will be 6:1, 5:1, 4:1, 3:1 type. So obviously, if you are getting 6:1, you can easily search 1:6 in the options, as because higher speed will go to the superfast train and lower speed will go to passenger train for sure. So your calculation is not wrong, but you have to maintain the proper sequence. If you have any doubt, you can call me on the number 84204-25084, and in YouTube, in the comment section, you can write down your doubt if you have. We will be coming with more such videos that will help you in your MBA entrance preparation as well as your preparation for IPMAT and JIPMAT. Thank you.